Hello YouTube, it's Mark from PhoneSmith and a happy new year to you all. Today we'll be doing a quick little tutorial on how to remove if you have a pin lock or a pattern lock on your phone. We'll basically teach you how to reset your phone so you can basically get access to your phone. So to do this, first, this is how your phone's gonna look after we done resetting it. So first we're gonna just turn off the device. Let's turn it off first. Let's pick this up. Power off. After we're powering off the device, after it's completely powered off, I say wait like 5 seconds, just until you could just to make sure you reassure it's powered off. After it's powered off, now we're gonna hold the power button with the volume down button. After you get to this screen, usually it comes up very quick. You can use the volume up and down to navigate and use the power to select. So what we're looking for, basically, we're gonna go power, that's power off, barcode, recovery mode. So we're gonna select recovery mode. Press power. After we get to that, let it load up on the Google. It's not starting up. After we get to this screen, I want you guys to hold the power button and press volume up once. So power button, keep holding it and press volume up. And now guys, we're in the recovery mode. So this is very, very good. So after we get here, we're gonna just go down using the volume key, and we're gonna again pressing the power key to select. So we're gonna look for wipe data and factory reset, which is the 1, 2, 3, 5th option. Click yes. Then you see it loading up right here. After it's done loading up, your phone was basically reset and you're ready to go. Alright, let it do its thing, perfect. And now we're gonna click reboot system device, and then we're gonna select with again the power button. After that goes, let it do its thing. And it should take, let's say 5 to 6, not too long, but like 5 to 3 minutes, and then you'll be situated, guys. That'll be all. If you have any other locks, let's say a Google lock after this, we have a tutorial right here on the screen. I want you guys to click on that, because after you finish resetting it through a hard reset, you might come through a hard Google lock. And if you have a Google lock and you don't remember your email or password, we have a YouTube description, a YouTube link right here, which you can just click on, and basically that'll get you to the next way that you can remove that secondary lock. After you move the Google lock and then you do the factory reset, well, after you do the factory reset and remove the Google lock, you're basically free of all locks and you can get situated with your phone. Alright, so again, click the link right here, and I'll just guide you through the process of removing a Google lock on the phone. And this is where you don't remember your password, and you can click use my Google instead, and there it goes, guys. This is the Google lock screen. Basically, it says this device was reset. To continue signing with a Google account that was previously synced on this device. So in our case, we don't remember it. So again, click the link in the description right here.